Welcome to iTalk. This video is about digital signature. Before getting into the topic, here is the fact for the day. Do you know how many doctoral graduates that India produce every year? Approx 26,000. Now to the topic. What is a digital signature? I used to think that a snapshot or an electronic copy of the signature is a digital signature, but that is wrong. In recent times, when you receive a courier or a parcel, you sign on an electronic pad. If you think that is a digital signature, well, that is also wrong. Then what is a digital signature? Digital signature is nothing but a mathematical scheme or a structure for demonstrating the authenticity of a digital message or a document. For example, x is equal to y square plus z is a very simple mathematical scheme. In the digital signature case, the mathematical scheme is going to be very complex. Let's see the difference between a paper signature and a digital signature. When it comes to authenticity, a paper signature could be forged, but in a digital signature, it cannot be forged. It's highly impossible. What are the types of paper signature we have? Just one. You cannot have different signatures for different applications, documents, and you cannot change your signature very often. In digital signature, there are two types, Class 2 and Class 3. Later in this video, we'll see what are Class 2 and Class 3 signatures. Now, chances of error. Paper signatures are error prone. There are chances that you might make some error when you do signatures in different documents. Maybe when you have to put in your signature in a lot of documents continuously, there are chances that you might make some mistakes. But digital signature, it is totally error-free. How does a digital signature looks like? Well, I told you earlier that digital signature is a mathematical scheme, so it doesn't have any form. But the device that you have, the digital signature, looks like a flash drive. However, this is not a flash drive. It cannot be used as a memory storage device. What is a digital signature certificate? Digital signature certificate is the electronic format of a physical signature that proves your identity and to access information or services. An example could be electronic passport or a driving license or a smart card. All of these help you improving your identity and at the same time helps to access some information of yours. How did digital signature evolve? In 1976, Whitefield, Diffie and Martin Hellman came up with the notion of digital signature. However, it was not complete. In 1977, RSA algorithm got developed by Mr. Rivest, Mr. Shamir and Mr. Edelman. This algorithm is used even today in many applications, including digital signature. In 1988, Shafi Goldwasser, Silvio Micali, and Ronald Rivest gave a complete shape to digital signature by defining the requirements very clearly. Now, how does the digital signature work? Anybody who sends a document or an information with digital signature will be encrypted. And there has to be two keys to access the information. One is public key and one is private key. The sender will have one key and the receiver will have the other key. These keys help to decrypt the information and the information is availed for access. We saw there are two types of digital signature, Class 2 and Class 3. Let's see what's the difference between these two. Class 2 signatures are generally used for filing documents like income tax, GST and such. Whereas Class 3 is used for tendering or bidding process, which is an electronic or online procurement process. Why we need digital signature? Because electronic documents such as e-forms, letters, documents, etc. to be signed digitally only using digital signature. Who can issue digital signature? Any certified CA, that is certifying authority who has got a license to issue digital signature can issue DS. What documents do you need for applying digital signature? You need identity proof and address proof. You could use passport, PAN card, driving license, bank account passbooks or photo ID issued by central or state governments. For address proof, you can use Aadhaar card, voter ID, driving license, electricity bill or the tax receipts. The property tax or the sales tax certificates, that would do. How much time will it take to get a digital signature? Well, if you have all the information on hand, it's going to take hardly 7 days. And not more than that. What is the validity of the digital signature issued? It is 2 years. Is digital signature eco-friendly? Totally yes. On an average, one digital signature saves half a tree every year. So you do the math by yourself. I am not a techie, so don't expect encryption and such concepts behind the digital signature in this video. This video is all about basic information of digital signature and its usages. Hope you liked the video. Please do put in your comments and critics. Thanks for watching.